Hey, peace and blessings, fam. How you doing? This is J Boss. Want to come on here real quick, give you a quick tutorial on how you can place a trade with your MetaTrader 4. As you see here on my screen, mine is placed at the bottom right. I'm gonna click on that or hit it with my finger. Bam, here we go, popped up. So here is the list of pairs that I can go and I can trade, right? So I choose which pair I want to trade. So let's go for USD JPY, right? So I tap that with my finger, and here pops up another screen menu showing you whether you can trade it, show your charts, give you more details about the pair, so forth and so forth, right? So we're going to push trade, right? Because we're here to make that money, right? So we're going to trade. Now, from here, you can choose how you want to trade. Right now, it's already set at a buy limit. You have the option, though, where you can do a sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. This is the menu that you will see for buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, or sell stop, where you put in the price or where you want the price to for the execution of the order. You put in your stop loss, you put in your take profit, and you can also set when the order or pending order expires, right? So if we do that, let's go to market execution. Now with market execution, all you simply have is stop loss, take profit. Because once you put that sell by market or buy by market button, you're already in the trade. You're already activated, right? So here all you do is put in your stop loss, you put in your take profit numbers, and there you go. Now you can change how much your lot size is, as you see up the top. You can either plus or minus. You can add in 1 cent. You can do 10 cent, right? And if you want to go for the dollar, of course, you just keep adding. Or you can just hit right up here and you can literally plot in your numbers 1.0, and there you go. So from here, all I would do is after I got my lot size together, I got my stop loss, and I got my take profit put in, right? All I do is hit sell by market or buy by market, and there we go. So that is a quick tutorial on how you can set a trade up in MetaTrader 4. I hope this video has been very informative for you. Thank you for tuning in. Again, this is J Boss signing out. See you on the other side. Deuces.